look good. Thanks for joining us here for the Fox 9 Morning News at 11 and on Fox Local, always streaming live. I'm Tom Butler. In news this morning, the man charged with killing a Minnesota lawmaker and her husband and shooting a second lawmaker and his wife is back in court this morning. Our Bill Keller is live in Minneapolis with the very latest. And Bill, you were just in court. Bring us up to speed. Good morning.
Good morning, Tom. Well, Vance Belter made his first appearance in court since pleading not guilty at his arraignment. That was back on August 7th. This morning's hearing was a status conference during which prosecutors told the judge they had substantially completed their discovery. But Belter's defense says they are still in the process of downloading 2 hard drives containing 9 terabytes of case materials. We're talking about 825 hours of video, 2,000 photos, and PDF documents with more than 130,000 pages to go over. A strong signal that it could be a minimum of 6 months or more before a trial date can even be set. 57-year-old Belter is facing 6 federal counts, including stalking and murder charges. If convicted, he could face the death penalty. Investigators say he disguised himself as a police officer in a planned attack back in June. Belter charged with killing Representative Melissa Hortman and her husband Mark. He is also accused of shooting Senator John Hoffman 9 times. His wife Yvette was shot 8 times. Remarkably, both survived. Belter was eventually arrested nearly 2 days later following the largest manhunt in state history. Now, in addition to this federal case, Vance Belter faces numerous state charges as well, including first-degree murder, attempted murder, and impersonating a police officer. But Tom, the Hennepin County Attorney's Office has agreed to put that case on hold until after this federal trial is over. Both sides due back in court February 20th. That's when federal prosecutors say they hope to give a better idea about whether or not they plan to pursue the death penalty. Back to you.
All right, that's our Bill Keller with the latest. Bill, thanks so much. And while the Belter case moves forward, an outside agency has been hired to review the law enforcement response to the shootings. The cities of Champlin and Brooklyn Park unanimously approving the nearly $500,000 assessment on Monday. It will be done by the International Association of Chiefs of Police, a Virginia-based organization with a long history of assessing agencies and promoting best practices for policing. During an interview in July, Brooklyn Park Police Chief Mark Bruley said he fully supports an outside review.
I'm calling for an after-action report. Let's learn what we did really well and also learn where we could have made improvements. That's what we should do in this case.
The cost of the assessment will be split among several responding agencies, with the lion's share of the bill going to the state.